Good afternoon. If you don't know who I am, my name's Jay Neal. I own BSB Manufacturing, and we're here today to talk to you a little bit about a couple of programs that we have going on in our shock department. We have really three programs that I want to tell you about today. The first one is called a master program. The master program is a program where you and me work together to build better product. In this case, we're going to work on shock valving, shock feel, shock valving, maybe develop some product that we have, the biplate, other product that we have, the dual zone. We may develop this to be a better piece so racers can get in at a higher level, okay? It's giving back to your community, giving back to the sport that you love so much, that I love so much, that without our participation may not be around in the future years, may not be around for your kids to enjoy and our grandkids to enjoy, okay? So we need to give back to this and help build racing back to what is great. You know, everybody says, hey, well, why can't it be like it used to be? Well, why can't it be better than it used to be? Okay, and the only way it can be better than it used to be is if we care and we try. So the master program is a very limited program. It's not a sponsor deal. It's a very limited program, and it's serious. But I want to work with some good people on it. So what we're going to do is I'll put an email link in this, and you can email me. It's bsbmfg@yahoo.com. You can email me if you feel like this is something you want to do, and kind of a little description of why you want to do it. That's the master program. The participation program is for a lot of people, okay, and it works many different ways. There's not a set rule on this participation. I have people that call, buy shocks, pay full price. I've had people pay more than full price because they like what we're doing here on this channel. They like what we do for the fellow racers. Okay, that I'm not asking for. But some people have, I mean, you know, if you want to, but I've had some people that want to help at different levels, okay? And when they do, I feel entitled to help back a little. But the participation program is more about marketing and understandings and just fellowship with people and telling them about you know, the product that we have and the shocks that we have and our team program and our goals and what we're trying to do to better racing. That's the participation part. It's you participating to help us grow our business, to help to grow the market, to help to grow the sport. The participation program, like I said, is somewhere between a 50% discount down to no discount. The discount is sometimes determined by the person asking, and that's the reality of it. This is a position that needs to be earned, and instead of, and a lot of times we like to earn it after we get it instead of earn it before we get it. And sometimes people deserve something that we may not be aware of. So I don't know all the ins and outs about every racer out there. So the participation program is something that can grow between us. We might start out at a very low level, and we work together, and the more we work together, the more I'm going to want to do for somebody. So participation program and the master program, two very good programs that we're trying to develop here at BSB. Our team program is a whole different thing, but the team program helps racers race. It helps you be a better racer. It helps me to short track what I need to know and do to help you race. It's a $300 a year program. You go online, you register, and you pay online, and then we'll send you a link to the website. And we start to create a setup for you, your car, your racetrack, your driving style. And then we have that documented and we keep that so it's available for you for life. We're building a better program for racers, one race at a time. People say, oh, I got to pay for you to help me. No, but you got to pay if you want my time. It's $300 a year. It's not much. And it's based on you. If you want to put into this, it can be highly successful. If you don't, it's no success. So I have guys that do it very well, and I have guys that don't do it at all. And people buy into our program for different reasons, okay? So if you say at the end of the year, oh, I got nothing out of it, it's because you put nothing into it. You're going to get out of our team program what you put into it. But it's moving people from a team program into a master program. So look it up. It's on our website, BSB Go Fast. I'm posting this video because I want to share this with you guys, unlike our other tech videos. So the master program, the participation program, and the team program is what we're talking about here today. 3 great programs offered to you by BSB because we want to see better racers in the future, because we want to see better racing. So remember this: go fast, go left, God bless you, and we'll see you back here the next time.